Many students hate flashcards. I'm Joshua Jenkins from LexBar, and I'll show you how to make flashcards that you'll hate and how to use those cards to pass the Virginia Bar exam. First, why flashcards? You should make flashcards because being wrong is good. This is people's major frustration with using flashcards, so they feel like they're never getting the answer right. We're going to solve that problem by how we make the cards and how we study them. But to some extent, you will keep getting the answers wrong. The fact is that recent university research demonstrates that, quote, unsuccessful retrieval attempts, end quote, enhance learning. That means that when you try to remember something over and over and you get frustrated because you get it wrong over and over, eventually, when you get the answer right, you'll be more likely to retain that right answer. It's the frustration that works in our favor. So getting the answer wrong is not so terrible. To make flashcards that work, you have to do two things. You have to make them correctly. There is a right way to do it. And you have to study them effectively. There's a right way to do that too. I find that many students don't get these two things right, or at least miss one of them. Let's look at the first part, making a flashcard. This is a bad one. It has too many things combined onto one card. In this example, the front of the card says, if a testator has a will that contradicts a previous written contract, which one prevails? And then the back of the card says, the will prevails, however, when a specific disposition of an asset, it's just too much. You can't remember all that using flashcards. What you have to do is break that information up. Every flashcard needs to have just one very simple legal rule without any sub-rules, without any exceptions. You'll make separate cards for each sub-rule or exception. Many students try to put on one card something that should be split among 3, 4, or 5 cards. Let's look at how to do those better. From that one card, we could make 3. The front of the first one would say, interpretation of contracts to dispose of property at someone's death. And the back of it would say, this type of contract must meet all the standards of any contract. This card would be reversible. You could see either side of it and memorize what's on the other side. The second card we would make would be this one. When a valid contract conflicts with the terms of a valid will, and the back of the card would say, a valid contract takes precedence over a valid will, but the will still controls the disposition of any other property. And the final flashcard we would make from that one card is this. Valid contracts to transfer real property are generally enforced through the remedy of blank. And the answer back side of the card would say, specific performance. So you can see how we've broken down that really complex card into 3 cards. As I talked about, this isn't just about making the cards, but also about how you study them. You should study cards in decks of only about 10 cards. You go through those 10 cards one at a time until you know the cards cold. When you realize that every time you see a particular card, you always instantly know the exact answer on the back, remove that card from your active deck of 10 cards and keep studying the other 9. Again, repeat that process. When one of those other 9 is so well grained in your head that you will not forget it, set it aside and keep studying the other 8. You keep doing this until you've got all 10 cards completely memorized. Then you go back to your master set of cards, pick 10 more, and do the same thing. You end up sorting the cards by how well you know the answer, putting ones you get right in one stack, ones you get wrong in the other. You'll review the cards only periodically after you've memorized them. I look forward to welcoming you to the practice of law. Check out VirginiaBarExamTutor.com for more tips to pass the Virginia Bar Exam.